Welcome to GK Shorthand School Kolar. English Shorthand Dictation Passage 80 words per minute, November 2008. Yes, get ready. Start. Mr. Chairman, at the very outset, I must thank you for having noticed this small group of 3 members. We have been waiting for the last 2 days to make some submissions about the budget during the general discussion. Somehow, the procedure is such that we have to keep waiting and ultimately are called at a point of time when we are told that we should be as brief as possible. I would try to take as short a time as possible. I have a slight difference with my friend who spoke before me and said that the word socialism does not exist in the budget. Fortunately enough, we are so placed in the house as to find that the socialists have got the maximum support for whatever is in the budget from all parties. I want to make 1 or 2 submissions about the budget. 2 very important sectors need a revision. I would not have made this appeal if he would not have been the finance minister. In a single sentence, he has dealt with a very important problem, that is land relations in the country, and said they should be subject to discussion in this house. This is one important problem which he has not disposed of. The second important problem in which he has postponed the decision is regarding the dealing with the parallel economy run by black money holders. He says that there should be a debate about this matter in the parliament, and later on we would find ways and means to deal with such an important subject. I would appeal to him to give greater thought to these 2 matters, namely land relations in the country, which he disposed of in a single sentence in his budget speech, and how to deal with the current problem of black money development in the country. These 2 things, if well done, will certainly see us taking steps towards an alternative model of government. But these things remain unaltered. Whichever words you may use, you will be walking on the track that he has been followed for the last 40 years. In addition to this, I want to make a mention about the state of Jammu and Kashmir. He knows that it is under the governor's rule. He also knows that under the constitution of the state or the constitution of the country there is no forum during governor's rule which can consider the budgetary proposals of the state. All that is required to be done for the governor is to sit in his office and conduct the official exercise and frame the budget proposals. He has not to come before the parliament as in the case of the rest of the country. I would make an appeal to him to constitute a committee of members of parliament from the state and bring the budget proposals made by the government before that committee and then take a decision which needs to be taken. This is necessary to be done in the absence of provision for budget proposals if the state which is under the governor's rule do not come before parliament. My second submission about the state is that there should be a little bit of rethinking about it. I request the finance minister to have this aspect reconsidered in the light of what the finance minister has said. Dear sir, thank you for your letter and the final set of plans for our new factory and offices. I am happy to inform you that although some parts of the document are in need of further clarification, I am in a position to accept your quotation. This letter is to confirm the main points of our telephone conversation this morning. It is in our interest to proceed as quickly as possible. I am enclosing a check as a deposit for this work as requested by you in our conversation. Work on the site is to commence within the next 7 days with completion as guaranteed by you on the date set out in our agreement. It appears that the points which need clarification are quite minor and we are not very far from complete agreement, but our company solicitor insists on checking these. To save time, I further confirm the suggestion made today that we meet at my office on Friday afternoon of this week and clear up all outstanding points. In the course of our discussions, the matter of the completion date will be raised. By for the most difficult problem we will have to face is the actual transfer of the company to the new location. It will not be possible to move some parts week by week, and therefore it is in our interest to meet the agreed completion date. Yours sincerely. Thanks you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you.